This video is going to walk you through taking a Part A quiz in Blackboard. You go to Blackboard directly, not through BioLucida Viewer. Although we're still experimenting with BioLucida Viewer because within it, there is it's not a browser within there that you can access BioLucida or access a Blackboard quiz without using the specimens in BioLucida. So as we get more experience with it, we might be able to use BioLucida Viewer alone for you to take quizzes in Blackboard. So anyway, but for now, for Part A, you should access Blackboard directly. And I have done that in my student account, and I'm clicking on the fall course, and I'm going to go to the course modules. I'm going to go to taking exams in Blackboard, and I'm going to click on the sample module quizzes, and then now these videos that I'm just making are going to appear here in a moment, but I need to make one here for the Part A. So we're going to click on the lecture topic. There's only 7 questions in this one. And I always do this so I can keep track of the questions that are answered. And actually you can jump around to them. I could go to question 6 and go back to 1 like that. And that sometimes can be convenient. So let's say I answer a question, common fixative, formaldehyde, okay? So now let's go down though and see one that is a WebMic one. You see here's a WebMic and it's a JPEG image. So you click on that and it's going to open in a different tab. You could actually set it to open in a separate window, but usually in a separate tab is enough. So there's your specimen, that's what you need, and you could even move it to a new window like that and have it around, or you can exit out like that, go back, redo it in a tab, look at it, go back, try to answer the question. So in taking Part A, you're doing it directly in there. Now I want to show you something else. It usually works in most browsers. I use Firefox, Mozilla almost exclusively. And if I go click on the top bar here, and I go Control plus, or on a Mac it would be Command plus, I can enlarge the text to see it better. And you can, of course, do that in your PDFs by the plus and minus in the PDF. But let's say I'm looking at an image here in WebMic, and it's not so clear, so I want to see it more clear. All right, then I should be able to do the same thing, you see? So you need a closer look at it, if that's helpful. Of course, if you go too far, you're looking at empty magnification, but it might be helpful. And sometimes, well, I've got the same image open twice here. But if we go to another one, of course that was simple columnar epithelium. And I've given you the answers to that. And here's another one. This is adipose tissue. That's being asked about, and maybe you want to enlarge that, so you could just go Command plus or Control plus, and there you are. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you on this, I think, and a lot of you have probably taken the exams in Blackboard, so it's nothing new. All right, I think that's about it for now, and good luck on getting oriented and started in the class.